Yo, the president of Instant Recall just put out an update video talking about what's going on with Instant Recall and how this company is blowing up. All right, I'm super excited about this opportunity because the earning potential is ridiculous. I've been talking about it in my videos lately because this is one of them, I hate to say it, damn it, but this is one of them no-brainer opportunities if you are into affiliate marketing or network marketing. If you're somebody that's like really want a recurring monthly income, like this is it. If you're watching this video and you really on it, like this is the opportunity. All right, so watch this update about what's going on with Instant Recall. And after you do that, click the first link in the description and get started, right? This is the time right now. Don't wait till next week. Don't wait till tonight. Do it now. It's super easy to get started with. I'm blowing this thing up. Instant Recall. So check this out. I am so confident after you watch this, you're definitely going to want to jump on and be a part of this opportunity. So let's go.
I'd like to welcome everyone to the Instant Recall update. If you're a first-time listener, my name is Paul Schneider. I'm president of Instant Recall. It is November 1st. It is 10:30 in the morning, 10:53 in the morning, Central USA time, and this message is going out to people all over the world who have been anxiously awaiting another update. I've got a lot of good news to share with you today. If you're receiving this message, it means that you have registered for Instant Recall. And there are a number of you that probably don't have all the details, or you're brand new and details are missing. So what I will do is when this message goes out, I'm going to include a 4-minute video that describes the business in its entirety so you have a clear understanding of what to do, why you might want to do that, what's in it for you if you're a part of Instant Recall in terms of making money, your intentions. If they are to make money, we definitely want to pay attention to what I have to say in the next couple of minutes. So the reason you're getting this message is you have registered with Instant Recall. And even if you don't have all the details, we intend to provide all of those details to you. Let's just get started with important stuff. Let me get here. We've got really good news, and I say that lightly, but I don't want to hype it. Monthly commissions in October grew by 52% over September's commissions. That's a huge growth just in 1 month. And better turn off my phone here. I'll keep getting messages. So that's a big deal. 52% growth in commissions in just 1 month. And those of you that are subscribed to Instant Recall, you know what that means, and you know the opportunity associated with it. Once again, there's a 4-minute video that you'll be exposed to in the email message that will explain all of that, what you can do and how you participate and why we're doing this. Second part of this good news statement is that new Instant Recall registrations grew by 312% in just 1 week. That's in the last week, okay? That's a huge increase. I mean, it's big. And this next statement is very important. I get email messages from people all over the world, and they want to know how they can be part of making money. You need to sell your data, which means you need to subscribe in order to make money. The money comes from the sale of location data. So either you're participating or you're not. So you need to subscribe, which is $3.99 a month. That's paid to Google through your phone, and that's on an Android phone. Google owns Android. So you're paying $3.99 through your Google Android phone to Google. They're the ones collecting the money. Or on your Apple phone, it goes to, if you have an iPhone, Apple is collecting the money, okay? A number of people have unsubscribed by accident by clicking on the unsubscribe button. We had to make it very clear how to unsubscribe to satisfy Apple and Google. They didn't want people being mad that they were being charged something they didn't know about. So we did that. The unfortunate thing is it's pretty easy to unsubscribe, and I receive messages every single day of the week. That's 7 days a week, where people are saying, I accidentally unsubscribed. Got good news for you. You can resubscribe, and you can do it by going outside of our system. You don't even need to be using the Instant Recall app to do this. If you have an Android phone, I'll show you right down here, you can open the Google Play app, and in the upper right hand side there's a profile icon, and you select that, and then there's a place where it says subscriptions. You tap resubscribe and follow the instructions. Okay, so you're bypassing the entire Instant Recall app collection system. You're just going to the Google Play Store app on your Android phone. The Google Play app is where you go and resubscribe. If you have an iPhone, it's a little different. iPhone, you go to your settings, you open your settings app, which is that gear looking thing for the settings, and you tap on your profile picture at the top, and then tap on subscriptions, and you can resubscribe. So you can bypass all that stuff. Even inside the app, you're up and going and you're good to go. I would highly recommend that everybody who wants to participate in making money immediately go to their phone and make sure they're currently subscribed. Once again, if you're an Android user, you click on the Google Play app and you go to subscriptions from there. If you're an iPhone user, you go to the settings app and you can click on the profile at the top and then go to subscriptions. Make sure you're subscribed, because you'll be left out of the entire commission process. We're selling data, so if you turn off the sale of data, you're out of the system. Okay, you're not going to be paid. Period. It's that simple, because you are not selling data. It was very clear to Apple and Android when we first came to them with this idea and asked for the approval of the Instant Recall app that they wanted all their users of iPhones and Android phones to be safe and protected from any malicious use of their data. So we not only assured them of that and showed them all the inner workings of the system. I mean, they got to see everything. And then we also assured them that those participants had elected to participate. So, you know, that's a big deal. So today, when you get this message, go in and see that you're subscribing. If you're not subscribing, hit resubscribe, or maybe you just start subscribing for the first time because you never got this message. Remember, this message is only going out to people. Sorry about that. This message is only going out to people that are registered with Instant Recall. One other thing, I get a lot of messages today. Josepha Van Neville, who's a friend, and she's known me a long time, sent me a note today, and this is a common thing. Somebody says they can't get into their app. Well, let me tell you, about 99% of the people that say I can't get into Instant Recall have clicked on the Google registration. So they have literally registered without even filling out any data. And so when they go back to the app, the only way into the app, and this is a setting that Google has, and they use it with all app developers, where it hides your profile and everything within the Google Cloud. So if you go back and you've registered with Google, you can just hit the Google button again, the Google icon, when you go to log into the app, and it will let you in. You don't have to type in your email address. If you do, it will not work. And sometimes it's just a spinning wheel. It's that you registered a different way. So if you registered using Google, you have to always log in using Google. Guess what? That's how I do it. I have an account, so I see everything going on. And I registered with Google, and it's very handy. You don't have to type anything. So that's why they have app developers use that kind of stuff. There's also an Apple button as well, and there's a Facebook button as well. So if you registered using one of those three systems, that's how you log back in. Seventh item on this list is there are a number of African nations and other nations overseas, not just in Africa, but we've seen a lot of this in Africa, where there's a restriction on in-app purchases. Some countries don't want money flowing out of their country, okay? I totally understand it. There's a way around that. We have found that the Zenith virtual card, you go online and you can look up Zenith virtual card, is a solution where you can use that to pay the subscription. Okay, some banks and some nations, you know, they have restrictions on certain things. This kind of bypasses that in a good way, so you're able to participate. So this is a really big deal, because in 2 weeks, today is November 1st, in 2 weeks we're going to send out more payments, okay? We want everyone to be involved in those payments, and you're going to miss out on them if you're not subscribing, because you've said, I'm not selling my data. And that's fine. You don't have to sell your data. But if you want to make money with Instant Recall, that's how we make money, is through the sale of location data. It is anonymous location data, which you're going to hear in the little 4-minute video that I'm going to send out as part of this email message. But it's really important that you pay attention to, you know, this particular feature. So we really appreciate you listening today. The growth, I have no idea what's going to happen on the 15th of this month in terms of commissions, simply because there was a 312% increase in the number of registrations just in 1 week. So we're really on a fast growth cycle, which means there's going to be an increase for a whole lot of you in the commissions, that's for sure. And there's no telling how big this thing can get. So we really appreciate you taking time to jump on today, and look forward to seeing more of you in the future. Bye-bye.